So this is again a fresh install, only changed the time just like the last time. Like you can see here, downloaded the zip file, and here are the files that I downloaded, and that's basically it. So I'm gonna start showing you the interface file, and look back. It looks totally the same. Okay. I already unzipped the file, so I'm going to go directly. I'm going to copy paste the commands again. Here is this command to make the backup. Now I am going to copy the file in the zip file. There it is, copied. Now I am going to copy the IP tables file. I am going to skip the IP table save one like you told me, so I'm going to go straight to backup the rc.local file. There it is. Now I am going to copy the one in the zip file. Alright, yep, okay, and now I am going to back up the sysctl file, and whoa. Okay. Now I'm going to, I was confused there. Now I'm going to open it to edit the line for port forwarding, which should be this one. Oh. There it is. Save yes. File name to drive. Plug. Okay, now then save the file, activate the change file using this command. Now I'm going to install this. I'm going to pause the video while it does that. Okay, so it installed the ISC DHCP server. Now I'm going to back up the original DHCPD configuration file. Now I'm going to install the one in the zip file. And the next section, blah, blah, blah. Ignore the following text in green. Skip. Okay, I already I haven't showed you the file, but I'm going to show you the wireless file just in case. There it is the name, there it is the password, and right now it's working fine. I'm going to make a quick check here in the browser. I know you cannot see it. Yes, I confirm that it's working fine. I have wireless connection. Now after this file, it says to make the raspi config file sudo, no, it's not a file, sorry. Okay, so now it's boot options, console automatically, and what was the other thing? Oh, to wait for a network. Wait for a network. Would you like to wait? Yes. Waiting is enabled. Okay. Now I am going to finish. Yes. No. Okay, I'm going to connect the Ethernet cable. So I'm going to reboot, by the way. I'm doing the same internet sharing thing with a Windows computer, with a Windows laptop, and it's working fine in the computer that I want to use. It's working fine so far with the same Ethernet cable that I just connected to the Raspberry Pi. So I connected the cable right now to the Raspberry Pi, and I'm going to reboot and pause the video. I don't know if this is the correct way to do it. I am using StartX here in this screen that happens at the beginning. I really don't know any other way. This is the way I found the internet, and now I'm loading the GUI. So I'm going to open right now the browser and check if I have internet in the Raspberry Pi. And let's see, let's make a quick stupid search. And apparently it's not working. Is connected to Netgear. And on the other computer it's doing the same, it's not connecting. Yep, it's not connecting at all. It just stays. The animation that you thought it was trying to connect to a wireless connection, it's actually the animation it uses to connect to any connection. It's the same that it does when I use the Windows computer, and it works fine. I am going to use the IP address command that you have in the tutorial. I don't know if maybe you can find something here that's not working. I'm going to use now the route command. And there it is. I know if it should work like that. I know it doesn't. Let me see if I can stretch this a little. I can't, but it doesn't reorganize. So I'm going now to do the IP tables, sudo IP tables -L, and now I'm going to do this one, sudo IP tables st nat -L. Okay, and I am going to do this command. The last times when I did this, usually the computer that I wanted to connect through the Ethernet usually established a connection, like if it's finally working, but it's not actually getting an internet connection because the Raspberry Pi cannot access the internet. But I'm going to show you right now here, just quick. You see, a connection established. You're now connected through wired connection. So here I'm testing the ping command. I don't know if this actually works. I tried this and it sends an error. I tried it communicating with the router. I know this could be 0. It's usually 0 here. I don't know. I also tried it with one just in case. It didn't work either. This was just a mistake I did. And yeah, I don't have internet here. As you can see, it stays just looking for the web page and it never works. And that's basically it. It seems like the problem is in the Raspberry Pi now getting the internet. There's something I did that it's now not getting the internet. I don't know why. It seems like it's ready to forward the internet to the computer because now, as you can see, the connection is established. It is working here in this computer. It is actually established. But what is happening here, I really have no idea.